Don't be panicked. After deleting TikTok account, you can cancel the deletion request or you can use your account within 30 days. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to delete your TikTok account permanently. Before we dive in, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell so that you won't miss any update videos. Let's get started. Open your TikTok account, tap on Profile on the bottom right corner, tap on three dash on the top right corner, tap on Settings and Privacy, tap on Account, tap on Deactivate or Delete Account, tap on Delete Account Permanently. Before deleting account, you can answer the following issues below or you can skip this step. After choosing or writing an issues, click on Continue. If you delete your TikTok account, you will lose the services about permanently. To go, take the circle. Tap on Continue. Again, to forward, take the circle. Tap on Continue. This is last step. Tap on Continue. To continue, you will receive 6-digit code. Enter the code. After that, click on Delete Account. Click on Delete. Alright friends, that's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comments. Thank you for watching. See you again.